People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, thank you once again for tuning into my channel. Much appreciated as usual. So yesterday, people, I did a video on a JetBlue flight attendant who apparently faked her abduction to try to get out of quarantine, people. Yeah, that's what they said she did. So what I'm going to do, people, I'm going to play a video of when she was talking about how them have cameras in the room. Then I'm going to play you another video where the Jamaica cleaner actually went into the same room that she said there was camera, and they're gonna give you a breakdown of how the room was set up and show you that there was no cameras inside of any of the rooms, and majority of the rooms are set up the same way. She goes on to mention that what Miss Collier saw in the room that she thought was cameras was motion detectors, like for the AC and thing, people. So I say JetBlue Airways has launched an investigation into the conduct of one of its flight attendants, Kalina Collier. Miss Collier ignited a social media firestorm over the weekend after falsely claiming that she'd been abducted while on vacation in Jamaica. In a rant on the social media platform Instagram, Miss Collier accused Jamaican authorities of holding her against her will at a resort in Trelawney. The Jamaican police have since dismissed the allegations as false. The airline says it has been in touch with Jamaican authorities on the matter and is in the process of carrying out a full investigation. And I truly want them to do a full investigation on this, people. And no matter where or what island she was in, a full investigation should be carried out. Because just imagine how detrimental this can be to a Caribbean island, people, especially how American view the Caribbean island, because them always put out how the crime rate them high in certain Caribbean islands, but they fail to realize that most of the time crime rate in their country is higher. And just because the Caribbean countries are smaller, we tend to get a lot more attention. So when she goes out there and talk about she's been abducted, of course, social media and the whole world gonna rally behind her and try to investigate and try to find her and why she was kidnapped. But as I said before, police investigated and it comes to find out she was not kidnapped or abducted. She faked everything, people. So now check out the videos of what went on, people. All right, check it out and leave in the comment section what are your thoughts on these. All right, people, much love.
So the reason why I'm going live and I'm telling my story about what's happening is because it just got even worse today. I just found 3 cameras in my room. 3. And I'm going to show them to you guys because I don't want you guys to think that I'm bugging. And of course I recorded this and everyone's going to know about this. So here's one. I covered it up, obviously. Here's the other one. And this one up here. So I just found out that I was being recorded the entire time I've been in this room. There are cameras in my mom's room. There are cameras in the room that my parents were quarantined in. There were cameras in the room that we paid for. So I'm finished. So I've had enough. You guys have me sitting here quarantining. You're not letting me know what's going on. I do not even have fucking COVID. You guys are getting money from the government, whatever it is, to say that you handle COVID correctly. I'm over it. Listen, when I'm telling y'all right now, when I am done with this hotel, this whole shit will be Kalina Ocean Coral. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm suing the pants off of this place. And you know what? No, you're good. I've been in here crying. I've been in here praying. I've been in here losing my fucking mind. You understand what I'm saying? And I don't deserve this. I travel all the time.
I'm getting ready to visit the room that Kalina Collier was staying in at the Ocean Coral Spring Hotel in Trelawney. So I'm making sure that I put on my PPE owing to the fact that she had COVID and she just checked out of the room. Collier said that there were 3 cameras in her room, so I'm going to check this out. She checked out of the hotel today, so I'm making sure that if there were cameras in her room, then I'll give you a view of that. Collier was staying in room 1123, one of 5 rooms at the hotel, which is used specifically to quarantine or isolate people who have tested positive for the COVID-19 virus. Now, she was staying in this room for 14 days. I want to give you a look what the room looks like really. She just checked out, so the room is not yet clean, but she said there were cameras in this room, so I'm checking to see if there are cameras. There's a flashing light right here, which is a motion sensor. I believe that Collier may have thought that this was a camera, but that's a motion sensor that is used. Once you're in the room, it cools the room. This is the bedroom that she was in. This is her balcony, which faces the swimming pool. So she was able to, from what I understand from the management of the hotel, Collier was able to leave the room, sit on the balcony, but she could not mingle with the rest of the guests in the hotel. She had to be quarantined, and it's a stipulation by the Jamaican government. In addition to the fact that no one can leave Jamaica and enter the United States without a negative COVID-19 test. Collier had a positive test, and so she could not leave the country. I want to see if there are any more motion sensors in this room. Okay, there's one here, which seemed to have been tampered with. Management of the hotel says that she used a number of things to try to cover it because she said that there was a camera. In addition to the motion sensors in this room are that's a fire alarm over there. That looks like it could be, what is that right here?
Smoke detector.
Smoke detector. So the room is equipped to accommodate visitors. Closet area, bathroom area, and another, oh, there goes another motion sensor, in the bathroom. So I believe that when Collier went online the first time, what she saw were these motion sensors. And I'm going to take you to another room that she was not in, so you can see that all the rooms at Ocean Coral Spring in Trelawney carries motion sensors. All the rooms here, every single room has motion sensors in the ceilings. And that's specifically to ensure that the air conditioner works with your body. If you're not in the room, then the sensor is not on, so they're able to conserve on electricity. How would we to this room? This is another room, 1121, next door to where Collier was. This room is not occupied, but as soon as you get in, here is another motion sensor in this room. Another one in this bathroom. Here's the other motion sensor. And if you look in this room, you'll see that this is a totally different room than the one that Collier was in. And this room also has 3 motion sensors. So there are no cameras in the rooms at Ocean Coral Spring. In fact, all the hotel rooms in Jamaica are inspected regularly by the Tourism Product Development Company. Their role really is to ensure that nothing like that happens in the country. So any hotel that would want to put cameras in the rooms, that hotel would immediately lose their license.